How to make WhatsApp video call on a laptop. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a WhatsApp video call on a laptop. First of all, open the WhatsApp application on your laptop. Once you open up the app, go into any friends chat you want. Then, you need to click on the video camera option from the top corner. Now, your video call will be transferred to the person you're calling. Once your friend attends the call, you will be able to see the video of each other. You can flip your camera on call, or you can mute or unmute yourself and share your screen. Also, you can add anyone else to your call. Also, check out our video on how to know if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp without texting them. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.